my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I am going to be telling you what fits in this beauty right here. This is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 19. As you know, the Toiletry pouch comes in 3 sizes, the 15, the 19, and the 26. So I recently purchased the 19, and I've had a lot of you reach out to me saying, hey, how do you use it? What fits in it? So in today's video, I'm not going to be doing a review because I haven't had it long enough to actually properly review it. However, I am going to tell you how I use it and then what fits. I'm going to kind of go through a bunch of different things, a lot of different popular items so you guys can see what fits in this bag. And then at the end, I also have a very special giveaway for you guys, so make sure to stay till the end so you can see what you could win. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see what fits in this pretty little thing, then keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to talk about is I'm going to let you know how I've been using this. So in my opinion, you can use it one of 3 ways. You can either use it for like a keep all, just to kind of throw miscellaneous things in it. You can use it for a makeup bag, or you can use it just as a clutch, which I think is really, really cool. I've seen a lot of people use the Toiletry 26, which is the larger size, as a clutch, but you can also use this size as a mini clutch as well, and it surprisingly fits quite a bit. So the way that I have been using it since I've had it, and I've only had it a short period of time, I've used it as a makeup bag, and I've also used it as a little mini clutch as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what fits. I am going to spin around so you guys can get a good viewpoint of what fits in here specifically. Okay, so here is the beautiful Toiletry 19, and the first way that I want to show you how I use it is as a clutch, and I'm going to include small leather goods in here as well as my phone, so I'm going to show you what fits. So you can see if you open it, there is quite a bit of space in there, and it's nice because the Toiletry 19 has a wipeable lining in case you do spill anything. So the first thing that I can fit in here is, let's go ahead and put my phone. I have the iPhone X, and you can see that fits in there very, very nicely. Then what I'm going to do, I have this little wallet here. This is the Recto Verso, and you can either put that in there vertically, you can see it stands up nicely, or you can put it in there horizontally. And keep in mind too that my phone does also have a pop socket on it, and it has a pretty thick case, and you can see there's still room. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Recto Verso and I'm going to stand it vertically. And then I have my Zoe wallet. You can put that in there, and you can see that fits in there nice. And then I also have my 6-ring key holder, and I will put that in there as well. So you can see right now I have my iPhone XR, I have my Zoe wallet, my 6-ring key holder, and then I also have my Recto Verso. And you can also probably include a lipstick right there. And I think at that point it's probably pretty much at capacity, so let's go ahead and close it. You can see it closes really nicely. The one thing that I absolutely love about the Toiletry 19 is the zipper is like butter. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the zipper. Okay, so let me go ahead. So these are like the small leather goods. So let me go ahead and try and find some other small leather goods that are popular so I can show you how they would fit. But you can see that's quite a bit that would fit in there to use as a clutch. So before I move into makeup, let me go ahead and grab a few more. Okay guys, I brought a couple more small leather goods. The next item I want to show you is this little cutie right here. This is my Louis Vuitton Agenda. This is in the small size. So you can see if you put it vertical, it will be a little snug. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it horizontal, and you can see it fits in there nicely. Then I have this little bad boy. This is my Victorine wallet. If you put the Victorine wallet in there, you can put it vertically, which is nice, and it will zip. And then I have a little key pouch right here that I can slide in there. And then I'm also going to include this little guy right here. This is the Louis Vuitton card holder daily. And you can see that fits in there. So look how much fits. And then let's zip it and you'll see once again the zipper. Oh my gosh, I love that zipper. The next small leather good that I want to try out, let's take all of these items out and let's go ahead and see if this fits. This right here is the mini pochette. And yes, oh my goodness, I was actually very surprised that it fit in there. It fits very nicely. And let's see if we can add anything else. I think I'm going to add in a key clay that will stand vertically. And then you can put maybe this little key pouch. Fits nicely. And then maybe one more thing. Let's add in this little card holder. So that's quite a bit. All right, and then zip it. So as you can see, this Toiletry 19 will be great as a little clutch or bag to carry around. Now, let me show you the other way that I use it. The next way that I like to use the Toiletry 19 is as a makeup bag. So even though you can see on the interior, it does have a wipeable interior, if I am putting makeup in here, I like to use an organizer. And Zoomoni was kind enough to make this beautiful cream. It's actually a custard colored organizer for me, and it's just going to help keep the shape of the Toiletry 19. It has a pocket here, a large pocket here, and then I love this because this can be great for hand sanitizer. So let me show you how that fits. And again, I love how they customized these. They were also kind enough to make one for my corset. Let me show you that as well. Okay, so here is my Louis Vuitton corset, and you can see they made this beautiful pink organizer that just fits in there perfectly, and they will customize it for you based on the bag that you have, which I think is amazing. Okay, so let me show you how this fits in the Toiletry 19. And like I said, I think this is a great idea, especially if you want it to stay structured. You see how nice and structured it looks when you have this in here. So when I do use makeup, I like to use this so it preserves the interior of the bag. So let me show you when I carry makeup, how I like to organize it. So first I have some beautiful YSL powder. So I'll just plug that in there. I have one of my favorite purchases, this Gucci bronzer, which fits in there nicely. I have a recent purchase by Chanel. This is a highlighter. You can see how that fits in there nicely. Then I have some lipstick. This is from Hermes. You can pop that in. And then I have a couple more lipsticks. I have another one from YSL that I'm going to pop in there. Another one from YSL that you can pop in there. Another lip balm from YSL. And then I have this beauty from Guerlain. So you can see, once again, it fits a ton and it closes like butter. But again, I love the idea of having an organizer in here when you use makeup in particular, because then that way you're not going to have to worry about the makeup spilling all over the bag. So as you can see, it fits a ton. Like, look at all this makeup. I'm going to take it out so you can see. That is a lot. And then you can use this little pouch here to include hand sanitizer, so that way it doesn't spill. I love the Toiletry 19. I feel like it is a perfect size. You can use it as a clutch, you can use it as a keep all, you can use it as a makeup bag. So great. Now I have a giveaway that I want to share with you guys. Okay guys, if you've been following me for a long time, you know that I love to do giveaways on my channel. I've given away a Louis Vuitton key pouch, I've given away makeup, tons of stuff, and today, because I've been talking about the Zoomoni organizer so much, I wanted to give back to you guys and give you one of the organizers. So as I stated, I do have this beautiful corset and I have the beautiful baby pink organizer in here, but I wanted to give away this beautiful Burgundy organizer by Zoomoni, and it would fit perfectly in the Louis Vuitton Corsette in the damier band. So if you guys out there are interested in winning this particular organizer, I will leave all of the details down below. It's really easy. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, make sure you're following me on Instagram, and then put a comment down below as to why you think you should win this organizer. I really like to give back wherever I can, and these organizers have been great. I have an organizer for my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. It just gives the bag structure. I have it for my Corsette. I have it for the Toiletry 19, and you might have seen the video where I did a what's in my Chanel bag, my Chanel medium classic flap. I have it in there too. They're just so good about creating structure for the bag, so giving it a nice fullness, making sure that the bag stays nice and clean. So I wanted you guys to have one too. So if you guys own the Louis Vuitton Corsette in the damier band, this would be perfect for that. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and then leave a comment down below as to why you guys think you should win, and then I will pick a winner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all about the Toiletry 19 and what can fit, let me know. I hope this helped. Once I've had the bag for a while, I will be sure to do like an updated, like lengthy review, but I just haven't had it quite long enough to give a full review, but I am able to tell you what fits, and those are the ways that I use it. And I tried to pick a lot of popular items that people had just to kind of show you what it fits in there, but I do love using it for a makeup bag and a little clutch. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I do a lot of outfit pics and flat lays, and I'd love to have you join me over there. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch, and remember what I always tell you, to always be kind. Have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video.